How to find and see growth strategies on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now scroll down until you find this seller handbook option. Click on seller handbook and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is scroll down and click on growth strategies. Here you will find many articles that talking about growth strategies, and yeah, choose any of these. For example, this one, it's the newest one here, and as you can see, you will find many informations right here. As you can see, tips for success, photographing, and many other things. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.